Dive into smarter swimming with our top 5 best swimming watches, the perfect blend of performance, durability, and style. Whether you're a casual swimmer or a serious athlete, these watches offer advanced tracking, waterproof design, and smart features to elevate your aquatic workouts. Discover the best picks to make every stroke count. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Smartwatch. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is a sleek, powerful smartwatch that blends premium design with cutting-edge health and fitness features. Perfect for active lifestyles, it supports fitness tracking, blood pressure monitoring, multisport tracking, GPS, and more, all powered by seamless Bluetooth and 802.11 AGNAC connectivity. One of its standout features is advanced sleep coaching, which goes beyond just tracking sleep. It analyzes your sleep stages and offers personalized tips to help improve your sleep habits over time. For health-conscious users, the Body Composition Analysis (BCA) is a game-changer, offering key metrics like body fat, BMI, and skeletal muscle right from your wrist. With an improved bioactive sensor, heart rate monitoring is more accurate than ever. Auto workout tracking kicks in automatically for activities like running, rowing, or swimming, and can manually track over 90 workouts, including HIIT. Built to endure, the sapphire crystal glass face is 1.6x stronger for daily wear, while the enhanced GPS with voice navigation keeps you confidently on track outdoors. With an improved battery and tight integration with other Galaxy devices, the Galaxy Watch 5 is your ideal smart companion, stylish, smart, and incredibly capable. Number 2. Garmin Vivoactive 5 Swimming Smartwatch. The Gumin Vivoactive 5 is a versatile, health-focused smartwatch that excels in both form and function. Its vibrant AMOLED display offers sharp visuals, while the impressive 11-day battery life in smartwatch mode ensures you stay connected longer. This watch goes beyond basic tracking with features like body battery energy monitoring, which uses data from sleep, stress, workouts, and even naps to guide your activity levels. Sleep score and personalized coaching help improve sleep quality, supported by advanced metrics like HRV status. Automatic nap detection adds another layer of insight to your recovery needs. With over 30 built-in sports apps, including swimming, golf, cycling, and HIIT, it's perfect for every type of athlete. Wheelchair mode is a thoughtful addition, tracking pushes and offering adaptive workouts. The Vivoactive 5 also offers extensive health monitoring, including heart rate, stress, menstrual and pregnancy tracking, and guided meditation. Advanced fitness tools like workout benefit and recovery time keep training smarter. Enjoy music on the go by downloading playlists from Spotify, Amazon Music, or Deezer, and pair with wireless headphones for phone-free listening. Whether you're training hard or simply staying well, the Vivoactive 5 is an exceptional all-in-one fitness companion. Number 3. Choros Pace 3 GPS Swimming Watch. The Choros Pace 3 is a performance-driven GPS watch built for serious athletes who value precision, comfort, and endurance. With a super slim 11.7mm profile and a featherlight 30G design, with nylon band, it's crafted for 24/7 wear without distractions, perfect for long training sessions or daily life. Its 1.2-inch always-on transflective touchscreen delivers excellent visibility in any lighting condition. Whether you're navigating routes or checking stats mid-activity, the customizable backlight modes ensure ease of use and energy efficiency. Battery life is a standout, offering up to 38 hours of continuous GPS tracking or 24 days of daily use on a single charge. The dual-frequency GPS chipset delivers superior accuracy, even in challenging environments like high-rise urban areas, while integrated sensors monitor air pressure and elevation gain for outdoor adventurers. With extensive activity modes including running, swimming, biking, skiing, and strength training, the Pace 3 adapts to your fitness journey. The route planner in the Coros app lets you create custom paths and sync them to your watch, using breadcrumb navigation to keep you on course. Engineered for durability and precision, the Choros Pace 3 is a powerhouse GPS watch that doesn't compromise on comfort or functionality. Number 4. Amazfit TRex 3 Military Smartwatch. The Amazfit TRex 3 is a rugged, high-performance smartwatch built for extreme adventurers and outdoor athletes. Engineered to endure the toughest conditions, it features a 316L stainless steel bezel, water resistance up to 328 feet, and operates flawlessly in temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, making it an ideal companion for everything from mountain hikes to deep-sea free diving. Its ultra-bright AMOLED display reaches an impressive 2000 nits, ensuring clear visibility even in direct sunlight. Night mode and glove mode further enhance usability in low light or cold weather conditions, providing clarity whenever and wherever you need it. Battery life is another standout, offering over 3 weeks of typical use and up to 180 hours in GPS mode, perfect for extended adventures. The TRex 3 also delivers precise navigation with dual-band GPS, 6 satellite systems, and turn-by-turn guidance using free global maps. With over 170 workout modes, including options for hiking, surfing, and more, this smartwatch supports your entire fitness journey. It also features AI-generated training plans with real-time guidance, helping you optimize every workout. Tough, reliable, and smartly equipped, the Amasfit TRex 3 is the ultimate choice for those who demand peak performance in any environment. Number 5. YMZ Smart Swimming Watch. The YMZ Smart Swimming Watch is a stylish and feature-rich smartwatch designed for both men and women, blending convenience, performance, and personalized style. With Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, it enables seamless call functionality, contact storage, and app notifications. Its built-in AI voice assistant lets you manage tasks hands-free, from checking the weather to setting alarms or controlling music. Equipped with 24/7 health monitoring, it tracks heart rate, sleep patterns, and calories burned, offering actionable insights through the VeriFit app. With support for 100 sports modes, including swimming, yoga, hiking, and cycling, it's an ideal companion for active lifestyles. The vibrant 1.85-inch HD display offers responsive touch navigation, customizable with 100+ watch faces, or your own uploaded photos for a personalized look. With IP68 waterproofing, it handles daily water exposure with ease. Powered by a 350 mAh battery, it provides 5 to 7 days of active use or up to 30 days standby, charging fully in just 2.5 hours. Compatible with iOS 9.0 and Android 6.0 Plus, it also includes features like menstrual tracking, weather updates, camera and music control, mini games, and a rotating crown. The YMZ smartwatch delivers exceptional value and versatility, backed by the 24th of July customer support and a 1-year warranty, a great gift for any occasion.